Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about science fiction films, which is called Spider-Man 2. Before I tell you which scene I like the most and why, and I recommend for my fans, please let me tell you what does Spider-Man 2 about. The film is set in modern day in New York. Peter Parker, which is actioned by Tobey Maguire, is Spider-Man, and Mary Jane she is the girl who Peter Parker loves so much. But one day, Peter Parker is Uncle Ben killing her mom, and then Peter Parker is so angry and decide to go to killing him. And then this is the set for Spider-Man 2, and then I feel this film is very fashion and is very event, more event in this film, and I saw this film is very exciting and interesting. This is my feeling in this Spider-Man 2, and then this is the end for my presentation. Thank you.